All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read for you the last section of the text, which is what we are going to be quizzed on today. So before we read, we want to think about this question. What does the author most want us to know about how sports can give refugee kids self-confidence? So our subheading is sports can give refugee kids self-confidence. So let's go ahead and read this section to see how. It says, Filippo Grandi leads the UNHCR. He believes that sports are important for children. Refugee children have experienced many scary things. Sports help them feel like children again, he said. Learning a sport can help these kids grow and develop. It also gives them self-confidence and skills. Beal is now studying at a university. He is still training to run. He hopes he will be chosen for the Tokyo Olympics in 2020. I can show my fellow refugees that they can have a chance and hope in life, Beal says. Through education, but also in running, you can change the world. So, which idea of Beal is emphasized throughout the section? 1. He thinks sports can help refugee kids. 2. Beal hopes to make it to the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo. C. He can be an example for other kids. D. He believes running can change the world. Pick your answer choice and then make sure you copy a sentence from above that proves what answer you think is right. Good luck!